Yo, what is up, everybody? Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to another Krabs Trades backtesting video. We're on episode 51 today. If you guys aren't subbed yet, help me reach 500 subs. That's my goal for the end of this year. So yeah, that would help me out a lot. And if you guys haven't checked out this new series, I'm breaking down all my combine trades, all that stuff on Top Step. But yeah, different types of videos here, more edited, little quicker videos. But yeah, pretty much today we're going to be switching it up a little bit. We're going to be back testing the one setup for life. So we're starting here on April 1st 2024, and pretty much what this setup is, it's very similar to my other model here, but they're way more probability. It's way higher probability, and it happens a lot less, though. That's the thing. So there has to be news, and yeah, the news has to leave an abnormal wick, which then I can use as a target. Let's see, looks like here, yeah, it didn't do anything. Monday the 1st, let's see if there's anything. Tuesday 10 a.m. So yeah, the thing about these setups, they don't happen every day, but there could be one or two a week. And when they do happen, they're super high probability, and they're one of my favorite setups. So yeah, let's see if news leaves a wick here. So like right here, this is called a data wick. I want to see this get traded back to, and hopefully get a setup to it. But yeah, let's hop on the higher time frame. We're in this daily 4-hour very bearish, which is good since our data wick is lower. Let's see, hourly very bearish. We're also in a 15-minute. Five-minute. I forgot to add ES. Alright, whatever. We don't need ES for this, but yeah, so right now, if we could take out some liquidity, got an inversion to the downside, that would be perfect one setup for life here. 10 a.m. news, red folder, jolts left, an abnormal wick here. We want to see this get traded through, and if we can get a setup to it. Let's see if we can get this 1-minute inversion right here. I'll take this. May not get it, but yeah, there we go. And also, this is a PDI model as well. PDI model is pre-distribution inversion. So we have accumulation. It's like an AMD basically. Accumulation, manipulation here into this 15-minute gap that held. And we're going to try and catch the distribution leg here with this inversion. So yeah, this is a super high probability setup. I would say higher time frame, we're also bearish. So yeah, right now the only thing is stop loss placement. This might be a smaller trade, but just run stops right there above the gap. Actually, we're gonna run it at these 5-minute highs right there. Alright, so let's mark it in. This is the highest time frame inversion in the leg as well. So this looks pretty good. Risking 0.5%. Yeah, let's see. Alright, there we go. First one setup for life played out very nice. Pretty much, this was a very high probability trade. Accumulation, manipulation here into the 15-minute gap. inversion here, highest time frame, inversion in the leg, and data low, amazing target, which was that 10 a.m. news low that left that abnormal wick here. There's orders down here that had to get filled, and there we go. After data lows got hit, we reversed. Alright, so let's go to the next day. Good start right now. Alright, we got a ton of news. This should be good. Wednesday. Let me just change these settings. Let's go to 8 a.m. Skip over here, because we do have 8:15 a.m. news. Yeah, so 8:15 a.m. news. Let's see if we can leave behind a data wick. Alright, not the best data wick, but yeah, nothing there. We still got 10 a.m. news, so let's skip over to there. Skip using this. 10 a.m. There we go. Alright, now this is a better data wick, but let's see if we can trade away now. See if we can trade away. Alright, so no data wick there. See, there's another one. There's a palace speech at 12:10, so let's skip over to that. Let's see. See if palace speech leaves anything behind. Alright, so these are good data wicks. So when there's two of these, I like to wait until one of them is taken and then try and catch a setup to the other one. But yeah, this is lunch hour, but a one setup for life. I think I'm gonna try it if I get a good setup. Higher time frame, pretty bullish. We're kind of in this daily gap, but 4 hour, we're also in a 4 hour gap, so we could hold that, continue back down. Hourly, pretty bullish with this closure. We're also in an hourly gap here. But yeah, bias right now is very mixed. We're kind of inside of a bunch of higher time frame gaps, just bouncing in between bullish and bearish gaps. Like here we bounced off an hourly, here we bounced off an hourly, so we're kind of just bouncing. So 15 minute as well, we're in a 15. But yeah, let's see which one of these data wicks gets taken out first. This Powell speech, and then we'll see if we can get a setup. Alright, nice. So we got this data low here. We can get a setup. We are in a 15-minute gap right now. But yeah, let's see. I mean, we took out some internal liquidity here. We closed above it though. But yeah, we'll see. Alright. So now we created some structure, took out that high. Let's see if we can get this 1 minute inversion. I'll try it. Alright, so I'll try this inversion here. Highest time frame gap in the leg. Also in confluence to this, we got unfilled 5 minute gap here. So yeah, let's try this. Stop here. Run a 10-point stop, because realistically I'm not having anything below a 10-point stop. And the thing is, with these one setup for lives, whatever you want to call it, live, I don't really move to break even. You could, but I just have so much trust in these setups that these data lows and highs get drawn to. So yeah, let's try this. If we get stopped out because of this 5-minute gap, I could re-enter. But yeah, if you want to play it safe, or if I want to play it safe, I'll go break even at internal liquidity. But yeah, let's see. Alright, so stopped out. I will try re-entry, so let's see. 15, still holding. If we could take out that high again. Let's see. Alright, this 4-minute here. Closes at 12:40. Also, this is lunchtime right now. Lunch hour. Wow. Yeah. Just didn't give us an entry. Yeah, but that's the one setup for life there working. It's just no entry there. I wanted this 4-minute. But yeah, it's all good. But you can see the concept works here. So let's go to the next day. 8:30 a.m. news. So this one was during lunchtime too, so that's probably why we didn't get the best entry or anything. But yeah, right here, there was like a loss. Right here. I'm just mark that up so that when we review these later, we can see. But yeah, you can see how the concept works here, how we retraced to this data low. Now we reacted right off of it. So let's go to next day, 8:30 a.m. Also during lunch session, I don't think it works as well. So that's probably why we got stopped. But yeah, re-entry would have been good here. Would have made back like 4R. But yeah, let's see. See if 8:30 news does anything. Did not. Oh, maybe. Alright, there we go. So right here, candle like this is a data high. So right now I want to see us trade away from it. Great accumulation here. If we could trade away, manipulate here, and then trade back up, that would be perfect. I'll take an inversion up to there. So let's see. Alright, no entry. But that just shows how the concept works again. We trade right through that data high. Unfortunate, no entry, but it's all good. Let's see. Alright, Friday we got 8:30 a.m. news. Skip over. See if this news does anything. Alright, perfect example of the data low here. Great target. I want to see us trade away, maybe sweep a high or something, tap into a higher time frame gap, and then give us an entry back down. But yeah, great example here of that data. So yeah, probably take this 1 minute maybe. This is just a super obvious data wick. It was NFP. Wait. Yeah, unemployment. Alright. I want to see us trade away more. Maybe take out all this liquidity and give us the move. Alright, nice. Let's see if we can get an entry now. 2 minute. 8:48. Looks really good. Try it. Stop loss. Just 30 points at that high. 2 minute inversion here. And let's see higher time frame. What's bias and stuff. Definitely bearish. Looks like higher time frame we want to run for those lows. So these one setup for lives. For lives, whatever you want to call it. We're also in a 4-hour gap bearish. I've noticed that like when these align with your bias, they're super good. So right now we're also in an hourly. We're in a 15 minute as well. I'm gonna just draw this out so that I can see that we're in a higher time frame gap. But yeah, great setup. I feel like stop loss is good. Could do it at the swing high, play it safe. But I feel like we shouldn't trade back up to these candle bodies here. If I get stopped out, could look for a re-entry. But yeah, let's try it. Let's see, is there anything in the way? Just this 1 minute here. We should just smash through it though. So let's try this. Alright, pretty slow, but looks good so far. I'm not gonna break even or anything on these setups because I just trust these data highs and lows, and if I get stopped out, it's fine. But yeah, tap that 1 minute. Alright, bit of a swing trade here. Oh, is this market open? Alright, yeah, market opened up right here. We should just run for these lows right now. Looks like we took out this high here. So yeah, bit of a longer trade right now. Not gonna go break even or anything. Just because for this model, I stopped out. See if we can get a re-entry. For this model, I like these trades a lot. So yeah, let's see if we could take out this high again. Alright, nice. Also unfilled 5 minute. Let's see if we can get a re-entry here. Let's see us rebalance at 4 minute. Highest time frame 4 minute in this leg is right here. But should I pre-fire it? Let's see, what time is it? I'm gonna open up a 5 minute right now. Alright. So I'll take this 5 minute, tiny 5 minute if we can get it. Small gap, but super tiny gap. but let's see. Actually, I don't really care about that 5 minute. It's 3 minutes more, or 4 minutes. Let's see. 4 minutes more obvious. Alright, 5 minute didn't even inverse. Alright. Close that 08. Alright, so now we got this 4 minute. I'll try this. 4 minute inversion here. Close that 10:08. Great displacement. Gonna run a bit wider of a stop. Probably CE of this wick, the 50% of that wick. Give this some room to breathe. Actually, we could do at these candle bodies here. Still 1 to 3. Alright, so let's try it. Give it some room to breathe. Alright, stopped out again. So 2 losses. I'll probably just give up on this data wick here. Unless we get this 3 minute. Let's see. If this third one fails, then I just would move to the next day for sure, but I wouldn't want to give it more than 3 shots. Close at 27. Alright, right now. Now we took out more liquidity. This is also a clean PDI model, or like AMD type model. Accumulation, manipulation. See if we can catch the distribution. Based on the 3 minutes, so we're just gonna have a stop here. The candle bodies right there. But yeah, let's see. A final try. If this one fails, then I'm just giving up on that data wick. Yeah, so looks like we don't even want this right now. Let's see though. I know it's gonna get traded back too, but wow. Yeah, normally this doesn't happen. Alright. Let's go next day. See, next news day is the 10th. So yeah, let's skip over there. CPI on the 10th. Skip by days. At 8:30 a.m. and there's also 2 p.m. news, FOMC. Alright, should be a good day for this model if we can leave behind data wicks. Alright, 8 a.m. here. Alright, very nice. Great data wick. See if we can trade away right now. Ideally something like this. Yeah, perfect. Alright. It's also the CPI wick. So now we can catch a setup up to there. See the higher time frames. It's like we got daily low right here. 4 hour. We're in a 4 hour gap. If we could take out this low. Yeah, if we could take out this low right here. Sell side liquidity. Longs look very good. So 5 minute unfilled. Fair value gap here. So yeah, let's see if we can run that low right here. Then get a setup. I need that low ran though. There's no way we don't run it. It's just so obvious it's right here. Unless Yes took it. I wonder if Yes took it. Yeah, it's gotta be SMT. Alright, yeah, we left that low. Alright, looks like here we didn't even trade back. (8:30 a.m. news). Let's see. Still bullish with those. With that data wick. Alright, now we got bearish data wick. Alright. Let's see. We're in an hourly. In a 4 hour. See, I like shorts down to that data wick. See if we can do something like this. Take out that high. Alright, nice. Now I like the short. This looks great. Data wick right here. Let's see. I mean, on a trade like this, I'll probably take partials though. Alright, nice. Alright, now we inverse this 5 minute. Close at 35. Oh, never mind. 5 minute held. And just bad PA. Looks like we're running for this now. And just no entry. Yeah, no entries at all. No sweep. Let's see if we can get retracement. I still like these shorts. Alright, let's see this 3 minute. Closes at 10:30. holding a 5 minute. See if we get this 1 minute. Just looks like bad PA now. Three minute. Let's try it. Didn't really sweep anything though. Okay, let's try it though. That low. Yeah, alright, now we took the high. And by the way, I'm just taking like whatever on this back testing because I'm just trying to 1109. Trying to like train myself to see how these one setup for lives work. For lives. So yeah, let's see. This one gets cooked, probably done. Yeah, been getting cooked on all these. All these have been getting left. We're in like generational debt right now. Alright, now we took the data high. Alright, let's see. 10 a.m. Friday. See if we left any data. Alright, we left the data low here. Alright, taken right away. Monday the 15th. But yeah, been getting absolutely cooked with these, but I don't know. It might just be this month or something. It looks like all these data highs and lows been getting left behind, not really traded back to. They normally get traded back to. But yeah, Monday 8:30 a.m. Let's see. Alright, nice data low. See where we're at, higher time frame. Tapped into 4 hour. See, it's 3 minute. We can take out that high. Alright. This 3 minute looks good. 27. Run us back to that data low. Also in a 4 hour right now. So yeah, let's try it. I mean, in this situation, I'd probably break even here, but we'll see. Alright, there we go. Finally a win. But yeah, this is like what I mean by the data trades. They normally give like trades like this, but we just been getting cooked on the last ones. Yeah, we straight up lost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in a row. Alright. But yeah. Here's an example of a better data trade, or like in better price action. These data lows and highs, they get traded back to and give great risk to reward. But yeah, let's go back here. $17th, 18th. $8:30 a.m. unemployment should be good. Alright, nice. Both the data high and low here, so let's see which one gets taken first. Alright, nice. We took the high. Right away, inversion. Highest time frame. We do have another one here, but I don't really care about it. Took out this data high. Data low down here. See the higher time frame. Looks very bearish. Looks like higher time frame. We're running towards these lows. 4 hour. Unfilled 4 hour above. But we're in an hourly gap that held. I think it held. Maybe it inversed. It inversed, but with the bearish candle, so it basically held. See 15. Alright, nice. We're also in a 15-minute. So yeah, this short looks good. Say this is like one of the better ones set up for lives when higher time frame aligns more. Wait, let's try it. And there we go. Back to break even now after losing 1 million trades. But yeah, even though we lost 1 million trades in a row, the wins on these setups are so big that it pays for it pretty fast. So we paid that back in 2 trades. So let's see. We got April 23rd. One second here. But yeah, also on some of these losses, I probably could have played it more safe, moved to break even, but yeah. Alright, 23rd, right? Yeah, 23rd, 9:45 a.m. Alright. See what this 9:45 does. Alright, not really any data wick, so nothing there. Thursday 25th. See, 25th, 8:30. nice. Data wick left behind. Let's see. Alright, nice. This 1 minute here looks really good. Took out liquidity. No, 5 minute though. Alright, well. Let's see higher time frame, what are we doing? Alright, we filled in a daily imbalance. Some volume imbalance here. Or new day open gap, I mean, my bad. We're in a 4 hour as well. Unfilled 15 here. Unfilled 5 minute. Longs look really good. If we can get it set up. Alright. See, 5 minute 45. And a 15. Looks like that 15 minute held. Alright, now that 15 rejected, hold up. It inversed right here. 15 minute inverse. I was skipping too fast. Another 15 here. Alright, delivery off 5 minute. This 1 minute looks good. Run stop at the swing low. And run for this data high. So let's try it. Stopped. Wow. Alright. That's crazy if this plays out right now. Alright. Yeah. 25th. Let's see, next day, Friday, 8:30. So yeah, so far, not the best results at all, but yeah. Skip 15. Data wick right here. Nice. Traded away. It's a pretty good data wick as well. Holding this gap. If we could trade down lower, that would be perfect. Alright, nice. So I'm taking this 1 minute. And let's see, higher time frame, we're in an hourly. in an hourly, in a 4-hour. Daily's bullish. Daily inverse here. So yeah, this looks good. Bias aligns with the data wick. Took liquidity already. So yeah. Whoa, my voice is cracking. Alright, so yeah. Let's try this. 1 minute. Alright. Nice. I still like this though because bias aligns with it. Try this 4 minute. $9.04. So yeah, let's retry this. I'm like 30-point stop. Nice. So yeah, results with this right now is very bad, but bruh, yo, I missed this. It was also a 4 minute. 3 minute. If we could retest, it's 3 minute, I'll try it. The limit. So we're still bullish higher time frame. Alright, we're tapped in there. Let's see. If we can smack this one, we're gonna be up a little bit of profit on the day. Alright, there we go. 2 losses, a little bit of profit, but yeah, pretty mid. Took like 3 tries to get that. $10 a.m. Yeah, there's 10 a.m. news. Alright. April 30th. Oh, and also I'm not really doing like too much higher time frame analysis with this, so that's probably why the results aren't the best right now. But yeah, I'm just trying to see during this backtesting how we react to those data wicks and using them as targets. So 8:30. No data wick. 10 a.m. as well. No entry. Alright, this day looks good. May 1st. So yeah, that's the first month. Basically break even. Down a little bit. Down 200. Down 0.25%. So half a R basically. But yeah. $8.15. What day is this? May 1st. See. Alright, nothing there. 9:45. nothing again. Alright, 10 a.m. Let's see. Oh wait, hold up. Alright, we got data high. There's FOMC later as well. Minute. Yeah, 10:20. Let's try this. Let's see higher time frame. We gap down. Pretty bearish. But we are in an hourly gap. Say this looks pretty good. Got us back to data high. In an hourly, took out some liquidity. Okay, let's see. See if we get cooked again. Oh wait, yeah, market. Alright, there we go. 2 p.m. now. Alright, nice data low left. Let me get an entry. It's a 5 minute. Right there. I want to see us trade up higher. Alright, very nice. So I'm gonna pre-fire this just to try this tiny 1 minute. Could stop me though. But if I get stopped, I'll look for a re-entry. Wait, let's try it. Alright, stopped. Looks like we want to run higher. Alright, now let's see if we can get a short. Hold up. 3 minute. Let's see. 3 minute inverse. It's just horrible risk. Bruh. Still got that low though. Say no entry. 230. Let's see. Next day, May 2nd, 8:30. Alright, nice data low. See if we can trade away. Catch a setup towards it. Alright, very nice. See if we can get a setup. Nothing right now. I'm gonna wait for this 2 minute. 52. Let's try it. Alright, nice. Yo, that's gotta be SMT or something. It's crazy we just left that data low like that. It's probably SMT, but I'm gonna still hold it. I wanna see NQ take it. Yeah. Alright, nice. Is this news? 9:30. Oh, is this market open? Alright. Our next day. Looks like we're getting a bunch of these now. 8:30. Alright, very nice. Oh, that was at 29. Wow. If this took out this low, oh, this left equal lows. Yeah, this is a great data draw since it didn't take that out. So I'm counting this as data. Let's see if we can get set up. Alright, 3 minutes. Let's see. 9:09. Let's try it. Crazy risk. Stopped. What was that? I know we got data high though. Alright. Let's try the 1 minute. And an hourly. Probably SMT right there. See how we react off the sweep. See us run for that data high. Straight up a swing trade. Take that data high. This is super unrealistic, but Alright, there we go. But yeah, data height taken. Let's go next day. But yeah, alright, we hit an hour, but yeah, here are the stats. I bet win rate's really low right now. Yeah, win rate's super low, but super high RR. But normally win rate's higher. It's just I wasn't really doing any top-down analysis. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Up about 6R. We're risking 0.5%. So yeah, we're gonna keep doing this and see how we react off those data candles. And also, I'm not like moving to break even or anything on these or taking any partials, so that's why win rate's so low. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, get me to 500 subs, and yeah, until next time, peace.